Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, Bobby went out and got the mail for me, and I got this beautiful package from Nova Scotia, and it says on it, Merry Christmas and Happy Planting. That's intriguing. So I'm gonna sit here, drink my tea, and open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now there's no note or anything, but look at this seed haul. You see that? Oh my gosh. Look at all the work. Now this is Our Life Off Grid. And if you haven't checked them out, please do. Like I said, they're from Nova Scotia, Canada. And look, basil, tomato, beans, chives, loofahs, broccoli, summer squash, peppers, winter squash, summer savory, tomatoes, calendula, and down in the States, I've watched a lot of videos and they say calendula. Now, I say calendula. That is what my grandmother always called it. I don't know if it's a Canadian thing. That's what my mother calls them, calendulas. I think it's sort of like the difference between Canada and the US. Like you guys say foyer and we say foyer, as you know, the entrance into your house. So just a little bit of a language difference. Peppers, more peppers, squash, peas, spearmint, caraway seeds, sunflowers, sage, fennel, peppermint, mint, and that's a true mint, she says, garlic chives, parsnips, black eggplant, cantaloupe, cilantro, sunflowers, eggplant, cucamelon, cucumber, Tiny Tim tomatoes, super snappy peas, Gosha tomatoes, Colorado blue spruce tree. Oh, I gotta get those started right away. Dill, cayenne peppers, parsley, lavender, okra, green bean, summer squash, leek, squash, cauliflower, lemon balm, pencil pod, black wax, bush beans. Now that is funny. That is the same kind of bean that we used to plant in the garden when I was a little kid. Now, how can I remember pencil pod black wax beans, but I can't remember what I did this morning? But I can remember that. Tomatoes, parsley, another sunflower, basil, cucumber, popcorn, beets, rosemary, tomato, sweet basil, watermelon, marjoram, chamomile, thyme. And when you get my age, that's the one thing you want is more thyme. Pencil pod black wax. These ones are yellow. The other one is yellow. Pumpkin. Sugar pie pumpkin. Sunflower. Bush bean. A muslin mix. Kohlrabi. Scarlet Nanty. Now, when we were a kid, it was Nanty Corliss carrots that we planted. So maybe they're sort of the same. Radishes, lemon basil, French breakfast radish, and a hot pepper mix. And Swiss chard. There's got to be like 70 packets of seeds here. That is unbelievable. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Christmas present. I thank you so much for sending me this. And I see in my future that Bobby is going to have to build me a greenhouse and some more raised beds. This is wonderful. And every one of these seeds I want and will plant. Oh, what happened to my blue spruce? I'll plant those right now and get them in a pot. Thank you so much, Our Life Off Grid. And like I said, go check them out. Look at how wonderful of a person she is. Or he is. They are. Anyways, so that's my first Christmas mail call. Thanks for watching. Love you all.